Hi dear CA Intermediate students, you know what? May 24 exam onwards, indirect tax weightage has been increased to 50 marks, which is on par with direct taxes. And now indirect tax has become even more a scoring paper. After the exam, many students have interacted with me and they shared their heartful happiness with me. So by appearing for May 24 exam, mainly IDT portion, so they are pretty much sure that they are going to get exemption in tax paper, even though they have not studied well in direct tax. So because the GST marks is going to push them towards the exemption. And do you also wanted to know how to score very good marks in taxation? Simple. So you can attend our regular batch, which is starting from 6th of June and it will go up to August 15th. And this regular batch is for around 90 plus hours that covers in-depth information on GST, which is applicable for September 24 or Jan 25 exam. As you all know, now the attempt is going to change from November to September and the next attempt will be January. So you cannot waste the next 3 months. So therefore you should be able to get good marks in September 24. What you all need to do is that you should attend our regular batch. And what are the features of this regular batch? You will be provided with 2 books. Number 1, resource book that contains the Bare Act, analysis, detailed information, charts, summary. And second book is practice manual that contains MCQs, past exam questions, RTP and MTP questions. And how you can attend the classes? Either you can come to face-to-face classes, which is going to happen in our premises in Nungambakam, Chennai, or you can sit at your home and attend online live wherein all your doubts also get clarified immediately, or you can go for Google Drive classes wherein at your own pace you can study and the doubts can be clarified through Telegram. And for face-to-face and online live students, we are providing 40% as a backup in case if you miss any lecture, you will be able to watch it again. And all the students who are attending in face-to-face or online live or Google Drive, we are going to offer free fast-track batch. So that free fast-track batch will be face-to-face or again it will be in YouTube. So you can attend it at your own mode. And this you don't have to pay anything extra. This we are giving as a complimentary to all the students who are appearing for September 24 or Jan 25 exams. And the timings will be 3 to 5 p.m., 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Saturday, and Sunday we don't have any classes. And so if you are willing to join, so you can see the details in the description below this video. Thank you. I'll be excited to take classes for you.